Y'all know who it is, you know what it is. Your boy JP coming to y'all with one of those good old how-tos. We have a 1998 Dodge Dakota, and we want to change out these speakers. Now, this takes a 6.5-inch speaker in the front, and we need to get this door panel off. So first thing we want to do is come right here, and we want to get that. That is a Phillips. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, Phillips. We're gonna take that Phillips out. Alright, so while we still have that Phillips on our drill, we want to come down here to the bottom. You're going to have one on the left side of the door panel and one on the right. Take those out. Come right here to the end of the door panel. Take out another one. Now what we want to do is swap over to our T20. We have a T20 torque screw right here. That fell on the floor. And then let me turn my light on. Now they also have another T20 that's hidden right there. So we want to take that T20 out. The good thing that you can do on your door is come right here to this little panel, pop it off. Once we pop that panel off, we see that we can actually get to our little door hinge groove right there. And we just want to push that white piece off of that metal piece. Alright, so now that we have that out, we can now lift up. And now that I push this up, now that's loose. Now we can come here and get that other T20 out of there. Let's see if I can let y'all see that. That fell on the floor as well. Alright, so now this little window thing has to come off. You can't really, this right here, I'm sorry, because these are manual windows. You can't really see because you got this little foam piece right here, but there is a little metal clip that's back there, and this is a window removal tool for one of the old school or window knob. What you want to do, alright, so it's kind of hard to actually show you how to do it because that foam was in the way, but now I actually have this off. It's easier for me to show you. So this thing goes on just like that, right? And if you can look down, yeah, so it goes in. Now once it actually goes all the way in, you have this little gold clip that's right here, and that is the piece that we want to actually pop off. So while it's in there, it's closed like that, so it actually locks on the little thing that's on the inside. Alright, so if this is on the door, you want to put the flat edge, the back part of this, on the actual door so you can get in. And then now those two pieces that I was telling you about, see how it just pushes that pin up? Now that that pin is pushed up, we can release it, and that's basically what you need that tool for. I'm gonna try to put all these in the, all the links to these tools will be in the description so I can find them for you guys. So if you're doing this by yourself, you'll know what to do. Now we can come over here and just basically lift our door panel up. No pulling, no extra popping panel clips and all that type of stuff. All we gotta do is pull it up. Then we want to come over here, and as you can see, we have our 3 Phillips. We're gonna go ahead and take those out. Alright, so now taking those 3 Phillips out, we actually have it out of our door. Now, some people, they like to go ahead and take the speaker and just mount it straight there. You could do that. Me, I'd rather use some sort of bracket so I can mount it back how the factory intended for it to be. With this, you got one or two ways. You can use the mounting brackets that you can buy from Metro. It's like an 826600. They'll be in the description. Or these things right here have like a little tab on them. Just pop the gold speaker out. Ow, hold on, need 2 hands. Yeah, so we'll pop that speaker out. Now that speaker's popped out, we can mount our 6.5 to this with the right size screw, and then mount the whole thing back to the door. So that's what we're gonna do. So what I did was I put the black bracket back up, put all 3 of our Phillips back in, and use that as the bracket. And now I've already inserted my hooks onto my speaker with my speaker harness. I will have those in the description as well. And now I'm just using set screws to go through. That way it goes through the plastic and the metal. And these are going to be some self-tapping Phillips just a number 8 Phillips screw. And after I get done with this, I'm gonna do the other side. But other than that, man, that's pretty much it. If you guys find any value in the video, if I helped y'all a little bit, press all those buttons, the like, subscribe, the notification bell, all that, everything except that dislike button. It's your boy JP signing out, man. Happy installing.